Publishing with purpose. Dodging the most common self-publishing mistakes. As a self-published author, you know that writing a book is just the beginning of your journey. The publishing process can be tricky and at times overwhelming. You may find yourself questioning every decision you make, wondering if it's the right one. In this post, we will explore some of the common regrets that self-published authors have and how to avoid them. Understanding the journey of self-publishing. Self-publishing removes gatekeepers, allowing you to share your book independently without persuading literary agents or publishers. But with great freedom comes great responsibility. Without a publishing house team handling editing, design, production, and sales, you suddenly become a one-person operation wearing many hats. But having the right mentorship, training, and support systems along the way makes all the difference. You do not have to do it yourself. With no gatekeepers vetting your work, it's possible to make costly missteps. Vetting service providers on reviews and portfolios is key to avoiding shoddy work. 5 common self-publishing mistakes. The impact of a poorly edited manuscript. Few things torpedo a book's potential faster than poor editing. Investing in comprehensive developmental, line, and copy editing polishes your prose for the best experience. Never skip this. The significance of book cover design. They say you can't judge a book by its cover, but readers certainly do anyway. An amateurish, generic cover screams newbie author and limits sales potential. A custom design aligned with reader expectations makes your work pop. The need for an engaging book description. Without an intriguing synopsis, browsers won't bite when they see your book. Strong descriptions hook readers, reveal just enough but not too much, speak directly to target audiences, and compel clicking that buy button. The crucial role of a marketing plan. Writing the book was the easy part. Now you must actually connect it with readers. Create targeted outreach campaigns, grow your platform, and run promotions well before release. Spread the word vigorously. Self-publishing is easy. It's not. Remember, self-publishing is a journey that requires planning, effort, and resilience.